we'll guide you through how to add dirt texture in Blender. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Open Blender on your computer and begin by launching the application from your desktop. Once it is open, start a new project or open an existing file where you want to add the dirt texture, depending on your needs. After the scene loads, locate the default cube in the main interface. Click on it to make sure it is selected, then tap the cube again if needed to confirm selection, and press X on your keyboard to delete it, confirming the action when prompted. Next, press Shift+A to open the Add menu and create a new mesh. Then choose the plane option to insert a flat surface into your scene. After that, select the object you want to apply the dirt texture to in the 3D viewport so that all further changes affect the correct model. Move to the Material Properties panel on the right side of the interface and click the New button to create a new material for the selected object. Then switch to the Shading workspace at the top of the screen to begin working with material nodes. Make sure your object is still selected so you can edit its material nodes without issues. In the Shader Editor, locate the Principled BSDF node, which controls the main appearance of the material. Press Shift+A again. Go to the Texture category and choose Image Texture to add a texture node into the editor. Connect the color output of the image texture node to the base color input of the Principled BSDF node to link the texture to the material. Click Open on the Image Texture node and load a dirt texture image that you have prepared beforehand. Finally, if the texture appears stretched or misaligned, go to the UV Editing workspace, unwrap the model by pressing U, and choose Unwrap to properly map the texture onto the surface. This ensures the dirt texture fits evenly across the surface and avoids distortion. You can also adjust scaling and positioning in the UV editor if needed for better visual results. Return to the Shading workspace to review how the texture looks under lighting and make small adjustments to the material settings such as roughness or color balance to enhance realism. Save your project to keep your progress.